Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 7 Political Science, Chapter 9 Struggle for Equality.
Children, today we would start with the revision of Civics Chapter 9 Struggle for Equality. What do you think is meant by the expression power over the ballot box? Power over the ballot box. Power over the ballot box means that all adults in India have the equal right to vote during elections. Power over the ballot box means that all adults in India, that means all the people who have completed 18 years of age, have the equal right to vote during elections. Through this power, people choose their representative and drive the government indirectly. So these representatives formulate the government and indirectly people participated in this government activities. Okay, so what do you mean by power over the ballot box? Power over the ballot box means that all the adults, those who have completed the age of 18 years in India, have the equal right to vote during elections. And through this power, people choose their representative and drive the government indirectly. Okay, then shall we go to the next question? What issue is Tava Matsya Sangh TMS fighting for? What issue is Tava Matsya Sangh TMS fighting for? The Tava Matsya Sangh, it is a federation of fisher workers cooperative. Okay, so the Tava Matsya Sangh, a federation of fisher workers cooperatives, an organization fighting for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. So actually it is a federation of fisher workers cooperatives, and this Tava Matsya Sangh and this organization fighting for the rights of the people, those who have displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. So children, what happened there? In 1994, the government gave the rights for fishing in the Tava Reservoir to private contractors. Okay, so in 1994, what happened? The government gave the rights for fishing in the Tava Reservoir to private contractors. And these contractors drove the local people away and got cheap labor from outside. The contractors began to threaten the villagers who did not want to leave by bringing in hoodlums. What do you mean by hoodlums? By using a violent criminal. Okay. The villagers stood united and decided that it was time to set up an organization and do something to protect their rights. The newly formed Tava Matsya Sangh TMS organized rallies and a chakka jam, that means road blockade, demanding their right to continue fishing for their livelihood. That is Tava Matsya Sangh. It is a federation of fisher workers cooperatives, and it is an organization fighting for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. Then next one, why did the villagers set up this organization? The villagers set up this organization to save their livelihood. So in the second question, we studied all these in detail. So the villagers set up this organization to save their livelihood. Through this organization, they wanted to highlight the injustice meted out to them by the government, because the government gave the rights for fishing in the Tava Reservoir to the private contractors in 1994. And so what happened? These contractors drove the local people away and they used cheap labor from outside. So this organization, Tawa Matsya Sangh organization, was set up to save their livelihood, save the fisherman's livelihood. Okay. Then, do you think that the large scale participation contributed to the success of the TMS? Write 2 lines on why you think so. The large-scale participation by villagers created a cooperative society that helped them to protect their livelihoods. So, this organization was set up in a large scale, and these villagers participated in this organization in a large scale, and they helped to protect their livelihoods. With the TMS Tawa Matsya Sangh taking over the fish, workers were able to increase their earnings substantially. So, after setting up this organization, they were taking over the fish and the workers were able to increase their earnings substantially. Then, what role does the Constitution play in people's struggle for equality? The Constitution plays a significant role in people's struggle for equality. It recognizes the equality of all persons. So, according to our Constitution, all are equal before the eyes of law. There is no discrimination in the terms of caste, creed, color, etc. So, it ensures that fair treatment is given to all in the country. It gives equal rights to all for law and justice. Okay. So, what do you mean by the equality? According to our constitution, all are equal before the eyes of law. There is no discrimination. Okay.
Children, please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.